Hi everyone, I have uploaded a video of e-commerce application on YouTube. Here is the video and I got too many comments about how can we add our own Firebase to this project. So in this short video I am going to show you how you can add your own Firebase account with this project. First of all, go to Firebase console, click on add project, name your project. Okay. Click on Android. Now you need to copy the package name from your application. SH1 is not required. This is an optional. If you want to integrate Google sign in, then this is an important part of integration. Leave everything default. Your application is added. Now go to the authentication, real-time database and storage. Authentication, email and password, save. Add a user admin at Gmail. This setting is only for our e-commerce application admin user. Copy this user ID. Go to the rules and change to add admin login detail is set up. Edit rules for storage also and make it true. Now you need to add the JSON file from the settings. Download this JSON file. Copy this file, go to your Android, paste the file. Now you are good to go, but first of all, make sure you have to clean the project before installing the application. Now you can test your application by installing it.